What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter? Is it Christmas? What are you doing? What's the matter? But what? I can see ya.
Which one do you want then? And this one? Yeah.
Is it a train set, bud?
Good girl. Let me help you now then. Get into that bag. Ooh, what is it? Hold on. Meaty trees. Succulent pigs in blankets. Very Christmassy. Yeah, I can't get in it.
What is it, bud? You have to sing. Buddy, you have to sing. Sing. Good girl. Buddy, sing. Which one do you want?
Which one?
You're only supposed to open one at a time. Oi!
No, this one.
That might be a train set, bud.
Don't eat the box.
What have you, buddy? What have you got from Grandma? Are you going to be a penguin dog? Are you going to be a penguin dog, buddy? Oh, look. Yeah, poor Elena. Look at her. Look, buddy.
I don't think she's too impressed.
You look good.
Come here. Good girl.
Buddy! Do you want some more presents? Want some more presents? It's better than having children, isn't it?
It makes more mess.
She does, doesn't she?